1455 Heather Ridge. I apologize, the seller has asked me to do this video quickly. So we have a bulge here in the garage door. A lot of times that's something we'll put on the repair request. There's a lot of grass. This is a neighborhood that we have a good deal of experience in. So maybe rekey, paint the front door. Oh, sorry, thank you. So the walls are green. And I'm going to start counting windows. So I think that's one behind there. So 1, 2, 3. Where we would like to add the 2.5-inch faux wood blinds that we add on all the properties. It's a nice fan. Maybe remove the door there, the doorway frame. We have a space saver microwave in place, so that's a plus. Gooseneck faucet, undermount sink. In this room we have 3 windows, and I'll go ahead and count the vertical as well. We have really nice stone counters and a stainless. Okay. So backyard's great, very, very, very low maintenance with some greenery. Plus, this is the south side of the house, so the patio cover protects you from the sun, so you can go out and enjoy the evening. We also have stone around the fireplace, which is really attractive. Hello. Oh, sorry. There's a kid in there. Okay. Hi. Oh. Those are your only dogs, right? The 2 in the backyard? Okay. I think that's the only dogs. Oh. Okay. 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 And the laundry. So make sure the bifold doors are functioning. The flooring looks good. There's a really wide stairway. There, I can go in all the rooms? Okay, I'll be very fast. Thank you. Okay. So stretch the carpet. In this room we have 3 windows. Cabinets look good, looking good. So add a door here or remove this frame. Okay, this is a large closet. So that's, oh, and also probably some sort of blinds here. So 3, 4. 4 light kit, sorry, on the master ceiling fan. Okay, light fixture. Low maintenance tub, doesn't require caulking. So we have the 2.5-inch faux wood blinds on that window, plus we have a ceiling fan with a light kit. Okay. And we need to replace the, sorry. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
It's 3 and 2 windows.
Okay, thank you.
One half.
I don't need to see that room. I think we're good.
Okay.